Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you the best FPS unlocker for Roblox. So first open your Google Chrome and go to your GitHub. Then you'll find Roblox FPS Unlocker v5.0. Then scroll down until you find these assets right here. So click these assets and just download this first link right here, the zip file. Once you've done, click this icon and click the show in folder. And from here, you'll find the zip file. Then right here, right click this one and click on extract all. And then once you've done, right here, all you need to do is just click on extract. Now once you've done, you'll find this launcher right here. Then drag and drop this launcher to your home screen. Then double click the application to run this app. Now you can open your system tray and right click this new FPS Unlocker icon. Check the first option, namely Unlock Roblox Player, to uncap or unlock your frame rate when Roblox is running on your system. The option below lets you unlock your FPS while Roblox Studio is running. And you have some additional options right here, such as FPS cap, advanced settings, and the option to exit this program when you're not playing Roblox. And then restart your computer and reopen this app in order for the FPS to work. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.